We are halfway through our basic derivative list. We're on rule 5. First rule says the derivative of a constant is 0. The second rule says bring down your power and subtract 1 for the new power. And then rules 3 and 4 say to do that, bring down the power and subtract 1 for the new power, whether you have a constant multiplied or things added or subtracted. Do the same thing. This next rule looks completely different, and it's our easiest rule yet. It's when we have the function e to the x. Y equals e to the x. Some super smart mathematicians did this rule over and over again with the 4-step process, and they came out with the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. How nice is that? Don't even have to do a 4-step process. We can combine this with our other rules. So for this first example, we have 3e to the x. That's a constant multiple, which says just keep it, and then do the derivative as normal. So we're going to keep the 3, and then we have the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So the derivative of 3e to the x is 3e to the x. You could pause this video and try the next one. This is combining all of our rules. I'm going to start it here though. I have something in the denominator and a root, so I have to rewrite it. So 1 over x to the third is going to be x to the negative 3. In the denominator it's negative, and then I have a root, so it's going to rewrite to be a fraction. It's the first power since it's not written, and the 4th root, so x to the 1/4, and then I have minus e to the x. I did not take the derivative, all I did was rewrite that. Now I'm ready for the derivative, which is nice. Bring down the power, subtract 1 for the new power. For this x to the negative 3, we're going to have negative 3. X to the negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Plus the derivative of x to the 1/4. I'm going to bring down the 1/4, bring down your power, and subtract 1. So I'm going to do this over here. 1/4 minus 1 is the same thing as minusing 4 over 4. So keep the same denominator. 1 minus 4 is a negative 3/4. So I have 1/4 x to the negative 3/4. And then minus, what's the derivative of e to the x? That's our new rule. The derivative of e to the x is e to the x.